Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Christopher Odoya from BISIT 3J, and I will be introduce a topic. The topic is Equifax Data Branch 2017 major IT compliance failure, and today I will be reacting to one of the biggest IT compliance failure in history, the Equifax Data Branch. This case shows how one small mistake in cybersecurity compliance can cause massive legal consequences. Summary of the case. What happened? In 2017, Equifax, one of the largest credit reporting agencies in the world, experienced a massive data breach that exposed the personal information of 147 million people. The root case, failure to patch a known vulnerability in the Apache Struts web application framework. Even though Equifax was notified about the vulnerability, they did not follow their own compliance policies for system update. Legal issues involved. Why it became a legal case? The branch violated several IT compliance laws, including data privacy rules. They failed to protect sensitive information like social security numbers. Failure to notify. They were slow in reporting the branch to the government and the public. Negligence. They ignore internal warning, which become evidence in court. Because of the failure, Equifax faced lawsuit from customers, state, and federal agencies. Consequences. What happened to the company? As a result, Equifax agreed to pay over $700 million in settlement. Executive resigned, and the company was forced to overhaul its entire cybersecurity and compliance system. This case became one of the most expensive data branches in history. And my reaction to this issue, in my opinion, this incident teach a very strong lesson. Compliance is not an option. It's a responsibility. Updating system, applying security patches, and following IT policies may look simple, but failing to do, they can destroy a company and harm millions of people. And also, I also believe that companies should invest more in cybersecurity training and follow strict monitoring so the vulnerabilities are fixed immediately. Lesson learned. For me, the main lesson are always followed IT security policies, patch vulnerabilities as soon as possible, protect customer data at all costs. Transparency is important during a branch. Compliance is part of ethical responsibility. To sum up, the Equifax branch is a powerful reminder that IT compliance is not just paperwork, it's a critical part of protecting people's data. Yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you for watching.